Zimbabwe, are you ready? The biggest corporate sporting event of the year is here. Welcome to the 2026 InterBrands Sports Games, where brands compete, connect and build lasting bonds. From football, netball, volleyball and basketball to boxing, tennis, darts and tug of war, the challenge is on. Think you've got the strength? Take on the exciting Tyre rolling competition and put your team's power and endurance to the test. Or lace up your running shoes for the InterBrands Half Marathon. Choose your challenge: 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, or the ultimate 21-kilometer race. And for the masterminds, battle it out at the InterBrands Quiz Night. Bring your brightest team, claim the trophy and compete for fantastic prizes. June 13th and 14th, 2026. Zimbabwe Sports Club, InterBrands Sports Games 2026. Uniting brands, building bonds. Register your team today. Call Maz now for participation, exhibition, and sponsorship opportunities. Don't watch from the sidelines, be part of the action.